Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the next video. So in this video we are going to discuss about an off-campus coding question, in the sense a pseudo code. Okay, so just watch this video carefully guys, and I'm going to explain you step by step how to solve this thing. So actual process I'm going to explain you. Alright, so you can see the question is something like this: what would be the output of the given program? So given one program int main, so then int I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. And what is the meaning of this for loop? Like they have mentioned nothing here, that means it is a infinite loop, so it will never end guys. So until and unless it is executed with break statement, it's never going to end. And after that there is if statement, then else is there, some pre and post increment decrement they are given, and at the end they are printing the j value. So how to solve these things, I'll just explain. So first of all, whenever these kind of questions are given, so first you just see what is being printed. So j is being printed. Okay, so what you just need to do is take a pen and paper, then write a variable. So I am writing on the screen, but you have to take pen and paper, so it will be difficult for me to write guys, but I'll still try. So I is equal to 1, and after that take another variable, z is equal to, it is also initialized to 1. Okay, fine. So now once I have got my variables in my hand, then what I can do is basically I will change this ink. Okay, so now I will check if I value is currently 1 is greater than 5, no, then it will not. Okay, so you understood about this for loop, right? So the meaning of this for loop is basically infinite loop. That means it is always going to be, true. So until and unless this break executes, whenever the break statement executes guys, the for loop is going to break, right? So it will come out of this for loop. So that means it will execute return whenever the break condition goes right. So that's why we need to check until and unless this break is being executed. Fine. So in order to do that one, I have got some steps here. So you just see. Okay, so here I am writing I value, and here I will write j value. Okay, I hope it is not paused. Okay, recording in progress. Fine. So this is j value guys. Now I value is 1 and j value is also 1. Fine. So here what I will do, first here you should come here. So you can see j plus equal to I minus minus. That means it is simply j is equal to j plus I minus minus. So they are just confused by writing in that way. So it is equivalent to this statement guys, and here you can see it is simply adding j with I, and here you can see post increment is there, post decrement is there. That means first the value of this thing will be used, that means first thing this thing will be used, after that the value of I will be decremented. So you know about this thing, right? So now what will be happening, first it will check whether 1 is greater than 5, no it is not greater than, then j equal to j plus I minus minus. So I is currently 1, so first what it will do, j is also 1, I is also 1, so j and 1 will be 1 plus 1 will be added, and 2 that will be assigned to j, and now I value will become 0 because it is post decrement. So I minus minus, first assignment will be done, then decrement. So now I value is 0, and here it will print j guys. So j is currently 2. So in options you can see here it is having 1, that means it is not an option. So here it is 2 and here it is 1, and last option. So the answer is only either B or D. Now the last thing I have to check whether it's 5 or 11 second time. So in order to check that one, you can see I value will be again updated. So I is equal to I plus equal to j means I equal to I plus j. So I value is currently 0 and j value is 2. So I value will be finally 0 plus 2, that is 2. And j is equal to j plus 7. So j value will be equal to 2 plus 7, 7, 8 and 9. So j value become 9. Okay, so one loop executed. Now it will come, it's a infinite, again it will come, and here it will check 2 is greater than 5, no, then again it will come to else. Okay, so fine, else it will come j is equal to j plus I. That means j will be now holding 9 plus it will add 2. So 9 plus 2 it will become 11. So now you got the answer, that is 11, because it will print this 11, and also see here I value will be increasing now. So I value will decrease by 1, so this 2 will be 1 now, and here I equal to I plus j. So I value will be 11 plus 1, that is 12. So whenever in next condition if you check 12 is greater than 5, okay, so and I will be again, here it is 11 plus 7, so you can see 17 18. So I value will be 12, in the next run I value will be 12 and j value will be 18, so it will not enter this one. So here again it will check 12 is greater than 5. Yes, it is true, that means it will execute this break and come out of this for loop, and it will return 0 here. So that's why it will not print anything further. So the output is 12 by 9. So first run it will print 12, after that it will print 11, guys. So this is how you should trace the problem. Actually here I am explaining, so that's why it is taking more time, but whenever you do practice on these things it will become very easy, guys. So once you understand these type of logics, then tracing these type of codes is a piece of cake for you. So but the thing is that you should have a good practice, and daily you should involve in these type of things. So that will be, this is just an one example, guys. A lot of examples will be there and different types of conditions will be given. So keep on checking our playlist. We have already made a lot of videos on pseudo codes. So in Infosys or in Accenture or in any other test, a lot of pseudo codes will be asked. So be perfect in those things, guys. And if you don't, or if you are not, then you can follow our playlist. It is perfectly like a beginner friendly. Each and everything I will be explaining like this only. So if you like our work, please do subscribe the channel and like the video. It will motivate us, and also it will like you are promoting our video, and that will be helpful for us to grow in future. So that's the genuine reason, guys, and I'm asking for your help. Okay, guys, so that's it in this video, and in next video I will be coming with another pseudocode, or also I will be coming with a lot of off-campus coding questions. Right, so thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Have a nice day.